Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back. I hope you've all been good. I've missed you, man. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to need liquid latex, a brush, some translucent powder, and a contour palette if you wanna. This next part is totally optional. You can use the contour shading to sort of get your already aged lines, and then you can then go over that. I don't know if this is 100% necessary. I just did it because I felt like being fancy. So once you've got some lines all over your face, if you're going to do this step, then what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to cut a latex sponge, wedge, or any other kind of sponge. I mean, it's up to you. I just used this old one and cut the end off of it. You're going to use that to dip into your latex, and you're going to start dabbing it around your face. So what you're going to want to do is pull your skin tight and then dab the latex over it carefully. Do not get the latex in your hair or in your eyes. Be slow and careful. Get someone to help you if you need that. But otherwise, do a thin layer of latex, dry it with a hairdryer or allow it to dry, keeping it stretched. And then you're going to powder it with the translucent powder, and you should be able to open your eye then, or wherever you were doing this, and it should start folding. On camera, but it looks pretty cool on my eye. So you're going to do it on the other eye, and you're just going to carry on all over the face. Enjoy this clip of me pulling all the weird faces that you're going to have to do. And then you're going to want to do this for about 5 or 6 layers. So enjoy. Okay, so by this point, the latex started irritating my skin a little bit, so I kind of decided I would finish up with what I was doing and then sort of stop where I was. I think it was about the layer or 2 layers in, layer and a half. Some places I only did 1 layer. But yeah, you can see the effect just after 1 or 2 layers, and you can imagine how cool it looks after you've done 5 or 6. So yeah, I had to stop, and unfortunately the joys of being sensitive to latex. And here's the finished look. As you can see, it has wrinkled my skin quite a bit, and this is only after 2 layers, 1 layer, however many layers. It looks pretty good. I'm quite okay with how it came out. Obviously, if you do more layers and you puff your cheeks up more or whatever it is, it will look cooler. So, oh, I don't know why I did that.